Guys, I can't believe this is real. That's the Titanic behind me. I'm about to buy a ticket for the most famous voyage in history.
Excuse me, where are you traveling, Fred? Is everyone really saying this ship can never sink? Okay, this is it. I'm actually boarding the Titanic right now. Look how huge these walls are. Okay, we're actually inside now. This feels bigger than some hotels I've stayed in. Okay, this is third class. It's way more crowded down here. Everyone's trying to find their rooms at the same time. Okay, this is actually much nicer than I expected. It's tiny, but honestly, not bad at all. Okay, I think that's lunch. Honestly, I'm starving. Everybody seems to know exactly where they're going, so I'm just following the crowd. Okay, here we go. First Titanic meal. Honestly, it smells better than I expected. Wait, that's actually pretty good. I was expecting something way worse. Oh my God, look at this. This is actually inside the Titanic. Okay, this is insane. 10 minutes ago, I was eating in third class, and now look at me.
I officially don't look like the girl who boarded this ship this morning.
All right, dinner with the richest people on the Titanic. Let's try not to embarrass ourselves. Wait, that's the captain. Why does it look like he's waiting for me?
Good evening, miss. We've been expecting you. Miss Mia, allow me to introduce some of the most distinguished guests aboard this ship.
Okay, this just became the most intimidating.
Allow me to introduce some of the most distinguished guests aboard this voyage.
We are delighted you could join us this evening.
Okay, I suddenly feel very underdressed.
Okay, that's ridiculous. I was expecting fancy. I wasn't expecting it to taste this good.
The finest balding.
Okay, this is unbelievable. I thought I'd already seen luxury on this ship. Everyone here dances like they've been doing this their entire lives. Okay, I think I've finally figured this out. Don't stop now. I knew you'd learn quickly, Miss Mia. Okay, I think my dancing career ends here. Time for some fresh air.
Wait, this is incredible. Look at these shapes, the colors, the faces. It's completely different from every other painting us.
Wait, is this really a Picasso? You're telling me there's a Picasso aboard the Titanic? This is absolutely unbelievable. Let's see Titanic at night. Wow, you can already feel the sea air. Wow, look at this view. Nothing today feels quite like this. Quick question for Titanic TV. What's been your favorite part of the voyage?
The food and not having to cook it.
Honestly, that's the perfect answer. Trapping in pajamas. Wait, do you hear that? That's definitely live music. Oh, wow. It's actually a live orchestra. This is beautiful. This is honestly unbelievable. Can you imagine hearing this while crossing the Atlantic in 1912? Enter Wordy's Podcast.
I could stay out here all night. The air feels incredible. And somehow everything feels calmer now. Listen to that. Nothing. No traffic. No engines around us. Just the sea. Good evening. May I ask you something? This ship is incredible. Is this your first voyage aboard a liner like this?
My dear, it's shipped like this. And look at that. It feels endless.
Yeah.
It reminds us how small we are. I think that's exactly why people love the sea.
Wait, do you see that? There are pieces of ice down there.
Why, yes. That is rather unusual. My goodness, it's much larger than I imagined. That thing is enormous.
Is it just me? Or does that seem really close? I've never seen one that large. Something doesn't feel right. Whoa! What was that? Oh my God! I think we hit it! Surely everything is fine. Okay, that is way too close. Oh dear God. Can they miss it?
We hit it! Oh my God, we actually hit it! Everybody get down! Dear Lord, protect us. This is really bad. I don't think this ship stopped. Oh my God, we actually hit it. Everybody get down! Dear Lord, protect us. This is really bad. I don't think this ship stopped. Otter, what does that mean? Everyone keeps saying we're fine, but nobody looks fine.
Boiler room 6 is taking water.
How bad?
Worse than
Actually leaning. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's getting worse. This isn't stopping. This is actually getting worse. Seriously wrong.
Everyone put them on immediately.
They wouldn't be handing these out if everything was okay. What are they doing?
Oh my.
This is much worse than they're telling us. This is not a drill. They are actually loading the boats.
Women and children first.
I don't think anybody expected this tonight.
You, madam. Please come forward.
I don't want to go alone.
You're gonna be okay. Come on. We'll get you safely into the boat.
It's okay. Okay. This just became very real.
Lower away.
Oh my God. It is so far down. I wouldn't want to be down there. Oh my God! It's standing straight up! No, 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 it's gone! Oh my God! Oh my God! There are people everywhere! I can hear them! Oh my God! No! I can't feel my hands anymore. It's getting colder. Please tell me someone sees me. I can't feel my legs anymore. I think they're completely numb. Please. Oh my God, no! No, no, no! Did you hear that? What was that? Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep. I can't stay awake. Hold on. I can't. Yes, you can. You're safe.
I thought I was gone. Not tonight.
Came back for me.
I couldn't just leave you there.
Most people would have.
Maybe. But I'm not most people.
100 years in the future.
What?
I know that sounds insane.
You're serious?
Completely serious.
So what happens next?
Honestly, I have absolutely no idea anymore.
Chip! Oh my God.
We're going home.
I never thought I'd see another sunrise.
Do people remember Titanic?
Forever.
And the people?
Especially the people.
Then maybe none of this was for nothing.
I came here expecting to witness history.
Instead,
I became part of it.
ready? Yeah, let's go home.
A few hours ago, I thought this was the end. But somehow we're still here. For everyone who didn't make it,